beautiful people. Actually, I saw them. I saw the gentleman just getting in the car, and I thought, please wait, I want to ask you a question where I am and how to get to different places. And they actually brought me to this beach, which is a nature. It's not what you call it. Nature reserve.
Benner Beach.
And Benner Beach. So you'll see that in a minute, and I just wanted to say thank you to these people, so kind for dropping me off here, because it's quite a long way and I'm not very fit.
Oh.
So now I'm just going to take a photograph and I'll be back in a minute. Bye for now. Well, this is a very, very big car park. It needs to be, there's toilets at the top end as well, and here's the dunes ahead, and that's where I'm heading. Yippee! Back in a minute, bye. I think I've just seen some redwings birds. I tried to zoom in, but they flew away just before I had a chance to. So there's the dunes in front of me. Wow, how beautiful. Stunning. What an amazing place. I was planning on walking along the beach, but I've just been told by a beautiful few people just now that the tide's in, so I won't be able to walk by the beach. But I'll take you up there to have a look, and we'll see what we see. The tide's in, so I forgot about the tide. Never entered my head about the tide. There's a little bug on my camera lens. I don't know if you'll see it, it's just on the edge. It's funny that, isn't it? It's always happening. I don't know whether it's a moth or what it is, I can't tell from here. But anyway, yeah, so anyway, I'll go up there and we'll see what we see. Ah, you're a little sweetie. Oh, look how sweet you are. Caught in the holes in the walkway, but the view behind here, wait until I get over there, I'll show you. Look at that blue sky and look at the views, absolutely beautiful. Sea just there and the sea's in, so I won't be able to walk along the coast beach after all. Back in a minute, bye for now. Oh, wow, look at that. heading up there to see if I can actually walk along the beach, although there's hardly any sand, because the tide is in and apparently it's late going out. It should be more out by now. Some people just told me, and they also said that they don't think I'll be able to walk along the beach now because the tide's in and it's cut off. So I might have to go back up the road. Oh no! Right, I'll see you in a bit. Bye for now. Well everybody, I'm going to give it a go. I might be mad, but I'm going to try and walk back. The sea is going back, a bit slow, but it is going back. So I'm going to try this way to the cafe that I saw yesterday. So fingers crossed for me. And I think it's there. That could be a PillBox. I think it's, well, it looks like it, I don't know, it looks like it. And I think, I could be completely wrong, that they're a World War II box that people went in. I don't know. So I'm going to investigate that and go down there. Because according to that map that's up there, when it says you're here, it didn't look that far, although it could be, to where the cafe is. So I'm always hunting for cafes, aren't I? So I'm going to give it a go anyway. So, on a beautiful day, it's sunny, it's absolutely gorgeous, blue sky, beautiful day. I'm back in a minute, bye for now. Wow everybody, I think that could be a PillBox, World War II PillBox. Wow, the things you see when you go on these adventures. And look at the mountains, the hills over there. Wow. Well everybody, this is what I've just found, and I think it is a PillBox. If I have the wrong name, everybody let me know. Oh, it's a bit of a mess in there. There's a few cans and glass by the looks of it. Well, I'm not going in and I'm not collecting that. I don't know where. Yeah, there could be some nasties in there, so I'm leaving it. If I had gloves, proper gloves, then maybe I would take it all home, but and throw it away properly. My tripod's in the way, look at that. Wow. The sea is starting to go back, go out, and it's left these beautiful rock pools. It's lovely. I can't see any crabs here. Beautiful. I'm on the island. So pretty, it's beautiful. I love it. Right, I'm going to towards me. Oh, this one looks a higher one. I'm not going to get sick. Oh, yeah. So everybody, I think this is what everybody was telling me about. That I wouldn't be able to get past this. And it goes to the sea. Wow, it's quite a fast torrent, that is. What do you reckon? Do you reckon I can go through it twice? Once with me filming, then go back and get my camera, then do it again. What do you reckon? Shall I do it? I might get a bit wet, and I need my walking boots. I don't know how deep that is. Oh dear. Unless I go right out there to the beach and walk along the beach. Or shall I go across there? I think what I'll do first is I'll go up there and have a look. Have a nose up there first. And then I'll think about it. Back in a minute. Right now. So I'm not too far from the cafe. Yeah! How good am I? Not to go back to the road. But look how fast that's going. Really fast. So I can understand why I was told that I wouldn't be able to get through. But now I need to find out how to get over without getting wet, because I need my walking boots dry for tomorrow. So I did put loads of dubbing on them before I came, but yeah, how do I cross that? It's huge. Unless I go to the sand right over there and then try and get through that bit there to the Ibis, and I might do that actually because I don't really want my boots to get wet. Right then, wish me luck. Back in a minute, bye for now. Hello everybody. I put my sticks in the water up there and it was about over 6 inches high. So I'm going to have to go crossing this bit just here, and then I need to cross that bit there. So I'm sure I've seen people do it. So other people must have got across because they went for a walk down there. So if they can do it, I can do it. Right, okay. That is quite deep. There is a shallow bit just there. I'm going to try this here. Now it's this bit that enters the sea. It's quite wide, this area is. Hi! It's quite wide. So I think if I head over there, it doesn't look as threatening, if that's the right word, of water. So I'm going to do that, because here it's really wild there as it enters the sea, and it's quite calm over there. I don't know how deep it is, but I'm not going to go back for my camera. I'm taking my camera with me, but I'll show you my feet. So here it goes. There's someone on the rocks over there, sitting down, watching me. Right. So. Because I want to go over to the village over there. And I want to have my own coffee, double coffee latte. So, yeah. I've got to do it! I've got to be brave! Sometimes I'm a right chicken, you know. I'm a right chicken. I know it doesn't look, it looks shallow, but it's running quite fast. Anyway, if I get into trouble, there's a guy that's sitting on the rocks behind me, up near the sand dunes, so I'm sure he'll come to help. Anyway, here goes. Probably should have just carried on seeing as I was halfway there. So we have these. Ta-da! I forgot that they were in my bag. But if I roll up my trousers, then they might work, won't they? I'll take that off. Right, everybody, I look funny and oh. Wow, they've come through. I'm not the only mad one. Well, everybody, what am I like? I am now going to walk back into it, to walk out so you can see it. See me. I wasn't going to, but now I feel brave, so I will. And it's quite nice. that last sand dune, just beyond that is where I was. And now I'm just heading towards there, which I think that's where the just there. I've just got to go a bit further up the road when I get there. And there's the cafe, just hope it's open. Like a minute, half an hour. I can see another reason as well why they said, and there's all these pools like around the back of where the actual sea is. So there's this one in front of me that I'm going to walk through. Now I have these little booties on, I'm going to walk through. Now I know that my walking boots won't get wet. I've forgotten these from my bag. It's lovely. It feels really nice, you know. I could go swimming. It's not really that cold. But I'm not a very strong swimmer, and I think the tide is it's going out anyway, the tide is, so I don't think I'll swim. It can be a bit dangerous actually, because all the rip tides and all of that sort of thing. So yeah. Anyway, I'll go down there. Back in a minute. Well everybody, this is what the person that I was speaking to told me, that the water can come in behind you from the sea. So there's the sea, and all of these little pools that I've just walked through just now can come and trap you. So being in the sea can be very, very dangerous. So yeah. And I was going to go for a swim, but it's actually not that cold. The water's quite warm, but the sea is actually going out, so it can take you out. And not only that, there's rip tides and different waves, thingy bobbies. Oh, that's pretty. Beautiful show. That can take you under. So yeah. So swimming in the sea can be quite dangerous. And you can tell because the sand is all wet, totally wet. So yeah, it takes a while for it to go back. Anyway, I need a coffee. I need a toilet actually. Right, I will come back in a bit.